Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DevOps with Anil. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Docker in Ubuntu. So, let's start it. I'm going to use the AWS platform where I can get a virtual machine easily. So, let's start it on AWS. Just a second, sorry. Let me create the EC2 machine quickly. So for EC2 machine, just I need to select the region. I'm in Mumbai region for now because I'm near location of Mumbai, India. And going to select EC2 here, search for that and click over EC2. Right now, I believe I have nothing to run over here. So let us click over here, create a launch instance. Just putting the name. I'm going to create a Docker instance, so I'm putting a Docker name. Ubuntu type of OS I am selecting, going to Ubuntu. Let's select that. The version of Ubuntu I am going to use the 22.04. It doesn't matter much, but the previous LTS I am going to use, not the latest one. So in selecting the machine type, where I am going to use one CPU and 1 GB RAM, because we are not using the Docker for load purpose for now, only in the installation we want to learn. So this is enough for that. So I'm okay with this version. If you want to increase it, you can select the drop down and go select whatever you like, but I'm okay with that, so I'm going for it. Key pair, which is used for authentication purpose. I already created a key pair, so I'm going to use the Docker one, but if you want, you can create a new one. It doesn't matter, but you should have a .pem or .ppk file for that to authenticate and log inside the machine. Okay. Now coming to the security group, it is enabling auto public IP should be enabled. And creating a security group, I'm not going to create the new one because I already have. So I'm going to select the existing one, which is my Docker security group. Here I have enabled all the security from my machine so that no security group problem will come. And the storage I am going to use 20 GB for now. And that's it, nothing else required. So just launch, click the launch button. Okay, it is launched. Let's click here. Till the time it is launching, let me show you few details of this machine. Basically, I'm interested on to showing on security group. It is pending and all. Let's see the security group. So I've used, this is the security group, I have added it. Let me open this security group, and so showing you the what inbound rule over here I have added for that. But this is for all the traffic I am enabling from my public IP. This is a my public IP from, so that I can able to access this machine. Okay. Let's wait for the machine to be ready here, and status check should be 2/2. Then only we can able to log in inside the machine. We need to refresh it. It is running, but here it is still initializing, so wait for it till the time it is happening. So let's go through the documentation. For Docker documentation, we need to follow docs.docker.com. It is the official page of a Docker where we can get Docker, all the Docker things. So here is the documentation. We want Docker engine installed on the Ubuntu, so we are interested on this. Click on the installation. here giving you the platform, which supported platform we are going to use. We are going to use Ubuntu. So click here. Here warning is saying that please check the security group and all before installation, so that security group should be not a problem. Or so we already taking care of by using security group and all in using AWS. So basically the OS is all three are recommended. I'm selecting this one, so I'm working on this Ubuntu Jamie 22.04. Now as we have fresh launch machine, so we don't need to check that whether it is already Docker install or not. But if you want to check if your machine is already existing and you want to check it, so you can for checking and removing, you can use this command. It will if any of these packages available, it going to be remove packages, all the packages previously installed, so it will be gone. And here is the installation steps. Basically it is going to be install few of the prerequisite packages and GPG and key and all everything, and then here is the URL added into the Docker list, and then after we can install it. So let's, I believe my machine is ready now. Let's refresh it. Yeah, it's ready. Let's connect to the machine. For connecting, Ubuntu is a username. We can use public IP. I'm going to use SSH client. The putty is one of them. Select the putty. So here is the putty. Let me paste IP of my machine. And for authentication purpose, I'm going to select my private key, which is I have already saved in my machine. So this one is the private key, and click open. Accept the security key, and Ubuntu is the username. Just press enter. Let's log into that machine. So clear. Now first of all we need to update the machine. Sudo get update. And we need to follow this documentation. So first command is sudo apt get update. We need to install CS certificates and curl. We need to install we need to hit each and every URL because it will be installed, and whatever the prerequisite is required, it can be followed. So update is done. Let's install the curl and CS certificate. It's also done. Let us do this. Now this. Now change the permission. Change the permission. Now add the source of apt with this signature. And I'm going to update as well. Let's see. Yeah, it's updating as well. Okay, so I have executed two commands at a time. Basically this one and this one, both are executed. Now we need to install the latest version of that. If you want to install a specific version, then you need to use this version, and you need to list command. So for listing a command, you need to use this. it will give you the version of which version you want to install. So this way you can install it. Okay, but I'm going to interested on latest version, so let's not topic. Here I have selected that, and now let me clear the screen. I'm adding hyphen y, so it will not ask, it will not prompt for installation. It will automatically say yes to install all these. Yeah, installation is complete. Let's verify that. Docker hyphen help. So it is showing all the commands and all. So means that Docker installation is completed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you again. Bye bye.